so not busy that I'm going alone. I don't have much time left, so I'm gonna go faster in this round. I don't know if I can catch another chairlift or not, but I try to do my best. But if they close it, I'm gonna go down, and that marks the end of the day for me. This is a very good snow. Alright, they're closed, so I have to go down. Not a bad day. I got like 2 full runs. Not so much to complain. Let's go down. I hope this time I don't get lost and end up in alleyways. There's nobody ahead of me, so they can follow them. I'm not quite familiar with this route. I'm here. So I think today they have closed this area. They're afraid of avalanches, so the alleyway is the only way to go. So I was not quite wrong the previous time, as this is the only way to go. This is cool. Let's make some turns, alright? I don't understand what's all the complaints about the slushes. I really like them. Except they make moguls down the way. That's the only problem. But overall, I'd prefer the slushes over ice anytime. It would be a bummer if I'm not recording. Nope, I'm recording. Alright. And the trick with moguls is that you gotta go around them. See, this is a mogul. I'm going around it. And there you go. That was a tricky one. But that's basically is the trick. Well, I know if it's more difficult than breathing, I'm doing it wrong. That's my rule. Now I'm cruising alright. And that works for anything, I think. I mean, like, if someday making all these videos would become more difficult than breathing, I think that's where I'm making some huge mistakes, or there's something wrong with my work. But as far as I'm like doing it as a fun and a hobby in a leisurely pace, it's gonna be alright. Yes. Alright, I'm in the right pace. I think I've avoided the alleyways. I asked the guy right now, and he said this is the way to go. And I think he's right, yeah. Okay, yeah. So, turns out I was actually in the wrong direction last time. I'm going the whole way without taking a fall. It's really good. I'm really proud of myself. Isn't that okay? Yeah, I turned the right way. I know this area. Okay, cool. I'm gonna sit down here for a while. This is really nice. Let's go. Well, it's very sad to hear that this is one of the last days of this slope, this piece, and they're going to close it off soon. But the other piece that I normally go to is going to be open for like another month or so. So the snowboarding and ski season is not over yet, but it's descending. So pretty sad. So I'm going to take in all I can. I'm going to go over there. Alright, this is going to be the final run of the day. And I'm gonna start on the very top. Let's dive in. Alright, this is the slushy part. It gets so warm down here. I want to take my jacket off. But probably it's not a good thing to do. You know, in here, they don't have the ratings like diamond, black diamond, something like that. But if we had this slope, this piece, would have been rated as like black diamond. So it's actually quite a beast. Alright, this thing fell off my head. Thanks to the lady that gave it to me. So that would have been quite a workout to go up there and get it. Let's hope for the best and be careful not to fall again, because it's a very fragile setup. You know, it's funny because sometimes I forget that my feet are strapped in, and I think that I can take a step. That's the reason I tumble sometimes. Moguls. So I'm gonna take a path and follow it. Right. Slushes and moguls. Not a good look. Oh, snow condition is quite good. I don't know why they're gonna close off the beach so soon. Perhaps maybe because, I don't know, I've got no reason for them to close. Maybe it's some like financial decision they're gonna make. But the snow looks that it can stay like for another month, so I think that's my prediction. I don't know, I'm not an expert. They closed off the cable cars. Okay. I think I'm getting the reason why people don't like slushes, because down here, after like a few hours, it's even worse. And the board is not moving as well as it used to. I'm going to pick some feet, yeah. And this is the end of the run, and I'm going home. See you in the next one. Bye bye.